Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of OSINT, or open source intelligence. We'll be exploring a powerful tool called GRIM that can become your secret weapon for website reconnaissance. What is OSINT? Imagine you're a detective about to embark on a thrilling investigation. But instead of scouring dark alleys, you're gathering clues from publicly available information online. That's the essence of OSINT. It's about piecing together the puzzle using websites, social media, and various online resources. Why website recon? So why is website recon crucial? Whether you're a security professional, a journalist, or simply someone curious about a website's background, Recon helps you understand its infrastructure, potential vulnerabilities, and the technologies powering it. Enter GRIM. This is where GRIM steps in. It's a free and open-source tool designed specifically for website reconnaissance, built with PHP. GRIM acts like your intel agent, gathering a wealth of information about a target website. GRIM identifies the website's IP address, a crucial piece for further investigation. Is the website built on WordPress, Drupal, or something else? GRIM sniffs it out, helping you understand the website's foundation. Is the website hiding behind a Cloudflare shield? GRIM can see through it, revealing additional details. GRIM can even scan for vulnerabilities like SQL injections, especially in WordPress websites. It identifies potential weaknesses in your own website or those of your clients. Gather intel for research or security assessments. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use GRIM for ethical purposes and with proper permissions. GRIM is a valuable addition to your OSINT toolkit. So if you're ready to become a website recon pro, give GRIM a try. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on GRIM and your favorite OSINT tools. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring the digital world.